Oke. Foto kita kan? Bangun kita lawan lagi. Hola. How are you? Good. Nice to see you. Terima kasih. Thank you.
Malah. Thank you.
I just want to say that I'm delighted to be with you all today in Koronubu to open this new water project. This project, along with all of the others I've had the pleasure of opening in the West, represents the great contribution that Fijians in the West Division have made to our country. In many villages in the West, your location and your climate can make life difficult. But regardless of that, you have played an enormous role in building the Fijian economy. It is said that for a long time, you've survived in this area without water, but you persisted. The greatness of Fiji was not only created in our big cities. Every Fijian who works hard to make a living and care for a family contributes to our success, including those in the many small villages and settlements across our islands. Our economy is growing. I've said that continuously in the last couple of weeks at an unprecedented rate, and government is committed to sharing the blessings of the economy equitably by improving conditions in all parts of Fiji. That is why my government does not belong to the few, but to the many. To the many hardworking Fijians who deserve the services and infrastructure they need to build a better life for their families and to prosper on whatever path they have chosen to walk. One of the most essential services my government can provide is access to clean water. If we want to build a better Fiji that is modern, healthy and prosperous, we need to start with the right foundation. Uninterrupted access to clean water is the most important stepping stone to development. And that is why I'm here to open this new water project. This project will bring a new dam and new systems to purify, filter and deliver water to about 10 families in the Koronubu Sangam Primary School. It has been completed at a total cost of about $26,000, $225, thanks to the support of the community and the contribution of the community, and will provide the people of Koronubu with unrestricted access to purified water. It will mean your children have clean water while at school. It will give you the peace of mind of knowing that the water you need to live will not make you or your children ill. Koronubu has had an unreliable water supply for many years, and the drought we recently suffered only made the situation worse for you. Recently, you were declared a red zone area. You had to face water cuts and had to rely on an emergency water supply. You are at the mercy of your climate, and that is something no Fijians should suffer. Access to water is a right. Our constitution guarantees the right of every Fijian to receive an adequate supply of safe and clean water. So bringing you this water project isn't only the right thing to do, it's a responsibility that my government is required to provide. And it is a responsibility we are committed to meeting and that we meet. And it is a responsibility we meet with great joy. Gone are the days when you must depend on outside sources to keep yourselves healthy and to have sufficient water to drink, to cook with, and to bath. Now, your water supply and your destiny are in no one's hands but your own. Your community is now more resilient than ever to our changing climate and the threat posed by prolonged periods of drought. This is a project made possible by Fijians like yourselves, the community and government working hand in hand every corner of our country. And when we do the same, you will bring even greater benefits to yourselves and to all Fiji. This isn't the Fiji that struggles to stand together, divided by politics, tainted with ethnic tension and disunity. This is a Fiji that speaks for every Fijian and unites our other Pacific Island countries. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I commissioned the water project here in Koronubu.
Thank you. Hey, Gori, Ndala. Maro. Yeah. Thank you. You drink.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Very nice. Nice cool water. Thank you. Enak. Som.